This video will show you how to replace the hinges on a custom wood swinging patio door. Note: replace one hinge at a time or remove the panel for easier access. First, unlock and open the door. Then, remove the screws from one hinge with a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver . Install a like hinge in the same location and secure with the provided screws. Now, replace the other hinges one at a time in the same manner. Then, adjust the new hinges as necessary. See our separate video for details. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.